All right, Epic Day Traders, welcome to another video. I'm going to help you guys out trade a little bit better, okay? And especially with RAYALGO. If you don't have RAYALGO, you need to get it. It's a no-brainer. RAYALGO.com, 20% discount codes in the description, guys. Check it out. This is Euro versus USD. As you guys can see, 1 minute chart, okay? This is today, 8/12/2026. So I want to point out something to you, okay? The first thing is first, because everybody asks us about this, so let's get this out the way. Time horizon. Time horizon on either 3 or 4, okay? I have it on 4 right here. So if you guys are trading this, it's the most heavily traded pair, right, in the world. So it's a phenomenal choice for traders, obviously, and that's probably why you trade it. So you got a sell print that comes in at 612. This is pre-market, right? Because I'm in the West Coast. So Pacific time, PST, Pacific Standard Time. This is pre-market, which was a nice little trade. So the next sell print that we get, right, is at 638. You could have got it in earlier on this if you know price action, if you can read price action. So when you can't even touch this order block, right? And then you get these two red bars down, 2 red bars in a row, right? And you can probably enter in on the 635 bar, even the 636 to bring this down, okay? Because if it fails here, it has to go the opposite direction, you know, most of the time, right? It could chop around, but most of the time when it fails something like that, it's going the opposite direction. We get a sell print here, right? Wait for the pullback, like I always talk about. And then the market comes up a little bit. You have this little mini liquidation grab, which turned into a shooting star or a upside down hammer, whatever you want to call it. And then boom, down the market goes, right? This buy print, not a good buy print, right? It's not perfect. Don't pay attention to that. That's why I tell you, wait for the market to pull back. Unless there's a lot of speed and velocity, right? When they're committed, there's speed and velocity. You can see the market actually, boom, they gap down, boom, they gap down, or they gap up. And if you're reading a footprint chart, you can see the volume and the caught high and the caught low and stuff like that. So you guys have to get smarter at trading. You need to have more skills, okay? And that's why I tell people you just can't rely on an indicator to do everything for you. It's not the know-all be-all, right? I promote RAYALGO because I use it, I believe in it, and I know it helps people, right? But it's not the know-all be-all. There's nothing money can buy, right, as an indicator that's just going to be like, oh, sell, buy, yeah, put in 10 contracts, yeah, we're good. No, you have to know the basics of reading the market, and price action, market structure, market behavior, you know, is the minimum, guys. You have to know that, right? So market comes down here beautifully. And then you get another sell print here at 833. Let's expand this. And then market comes down. That's another good sell print. You have these order blocks forming. When you have order blocks after order blocks after order blocks forming, and they really, they can't get really past the 34 EMA. They do here a couple times when they close big. Like this is a huge engulfing candle, momentum candle, 2-bar pullback, comes down again. It's just a really good indication. It's a good sign, a telltale sign that's saying, hey, the sellers are in control. You're going to have minor pullbacks, and then the market is going to continue down. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to review that for you guys, Euro versus USD. If you have any questions, you know where to contact me at. Everything's in the description. RAYALGO.com, 20% discount codes in the description, guys. It works on every market. These sell and buy prints never repaint, guys. This is the real deal Holyfield of indicators, guys. So check it out. And I hope you guys are being profitable and follow for more. All right, guys, take care. See ya.